This is the KSCAN-E, SCANOLOGY's flagship all-in-one 3D scanner. And today, we're putting it to work on this aluminum wheel. With 108 blue laser lines scanning at over 8 million measurements per second, watch how fast this goes. 6 modes in one device. Ultra fast for broad surfaces, hyperfine for tight tolerances, infrared for large area coverage, deep hole for bolt holes, plus smart edge inspection and photogrammetry. One scanner handles the entire measurement workflow. Accuracy is 0.020 millimeters, and when you pair it with photogrammetry, volumetric accuracy reaches 0.015 millimeters, plus 0.012 millimeters per meter. So even on a full-sized wheel, the data stays rock solid from edge to edge. The KSCAN-E is completely wireless. It has Wi-Fi 6, dual battery, so no cables. And it handles everything from parts as small as 5 centimeters all the way up to 8 meters. So whether it's a precision fitting or an aircraft panel, this is one scanner you want to bring to the job. And here's the finished scan. Every spoke, every curve, every bolt hole, all captured wirelessly with one device and one workflow. Photogrammetry plus laser scanning working together. The KSCAN-E from SCANOLOGY. 6 modes, fully wireless, one complete solution.